Hello students, welcome to Lead Station. Today in our poetry course, we are going to learn scansion. Okay, this is our second class. Yesterday, in the last class, we learned about the um, meaning of poetry. Now we will start to first how to read a poetry, and to read a poetry, how the poetry is written. Okay, and the scansion actually does what it actually helps us understand how to read a poem, and thereby what are the structural qualities or the structural patterns that are followed in a poem or any literature, but we are mainly focusing on poems. So, if we had taken into account drama, we would have to go even deeper. But right now we are only taking poetry into account, so there are certain limitations yet, which will help us understand poetry more easily. We don't need to go very deep into scansions yet. Whatever we will learn, it will be enough to understand the structure of a poem. Anyway, and another disclaimer that I have to give now, that this scansion is very necessary to understand, but scansion focuses mainly on rhythm of poem. But in modern poetry, rhythm might not be followed. There is in earlier poems, rhythm was a very important feature of poems, but in modern poetry, and modern, postmodern, and contemporary poetry, we don't find such a regulation or such a general practice of using rhythm. It is more of very free. Anyway, let's start with scansion, and try to understand the structures. What does scansion mean? Scansion means to scan. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to uh, scan a poem. A syllable. What is a syllable? Syllable is a word containing only one vowel sound. So it is a special word, but it is a word, but it contains only one vowel sound, irrespective of vowels and consonants that can be uttered at a single effort of the voice. Okay, so it doesn't matter how many consonants or vowels are there, but it must be done in a single attempt. When we try to say a word, we must be able to say that in a single attempt. Then that is a syllable. So I'm going to um, keep it short, but let me get into it. Is monosyllabic, like at, and like at, which are single syllable at. Then we get di-syllabic. Di-syllabic, there are example like Tommy, Tommy, Tommy. Then again, I have explained this one. Silence, silence. Then tri-syllabic. Tri-syllabic means three syllables. Example, edible, edible. Increasing, increasing. Similarly, tetrasyllabic, humanity, humanity. Spectrometer, spectrometer. Okay. Penta-syllabic. Again, there are five syllables. Electricity, electricity. Okay. I think this is clear now. Now we are going to the next part, that is